Is comprehensive insurance full coverage? Comprehensive insurance is often considered part of what people commonly refer to as full coverage auto insurance, but it is not the same thing. Comprehensive insurance covers damages to your vehicle that are not caused by a collision, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and hitting an animal. Full coverage insurance typically refers to a combination of coverages, including liability insurance, collision insurance, and comprehensive insurance. Liability insurance covers bodily injury and property damage that you may cause to others in an accident. Collision insurance covers damages to your own vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive insurance covers non-collision related damages to your vehicle. When people talk about full coverage, they usually mean that their policy includes all three types of coverage: liability, collision, and comprehensive, providing a broad range of protection for various types of incidents.